Want to remove TWINUI from default apps in Windows 11? Let's quickly show you how. Press Windows key plus X. Then, you need to click on Windows PowerShell Admin to initiate a PowerShell terminal with administrative rights. Copy this command and paste it in PowerShell window, and then hit Enter. Once you have executed the command on your computer, close the PowerShell window. By pressing Windows key plus R, you can launch the Run window. To open this folder location, copy-paste in the Run window and hit Enter. In the Local State folder, press Ctrl plus A to select all the items. Now, press the Delete key from your keyboard to delete all these contents. Reboot your computer to let the changes take effect.
Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.